Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can get Python. Well, first off, what is Python? Well, I've actually explained about this in a couple of my old videos. You can watch it over here. So it's a little bit outdated, so let me just explain you once more. Why not? So, Python is an interpreted high-level and general-purpose programming language, which means that unlike HTML, CSS and JavaScript, it can be used for other types of programming and software development besides web development. That includes backend development, software development, data science, and writing system scripts. Python's simple, easy to learn syntax emphasizes readability and therefore reduces the cost of program maintenance. Well, Python supports modules and packages which encourages program modularity and code reuse. Python is also a leading language for data analysis and machine learning. It was created by Guido van Rossum and was released in 1991. Well, it's often used as a scripting language for web applications. This means that it can automate specific series of tasks, making it more efficient. Consequently, Python and languages like it is often used in software applications, pages within a web browser, the shells of operating systems, and some games. It takes around 8 weeks to learn Python basics on average. This includes learning basic syntax, links, statements, loops, and variables, functions, and data types, of course everything. If you have the capabilities and you really want to learn Python, you can learn it in just 2 to 3 days. You can read and you can learn and also can explore in this technology after having the least knowledge in this. Alright, with that being said, let's jump on the PC and let's get started. Alright, so to install Python, just head over to your browser and type in python.org. It's going to take you to their original website. And now I'm going to give you the links in the description down below, so you can just click on that. It'll just take you to the web page itself. What you have to do once you're at python.org, you just have to hover over downloads and click on Python 3.9.1. Now 3.9.1 is the latest version of Python as of now. It's going to say download for Windows, just click on that. It's going to download a Python 3.9.1.exe file which you can run and install. Well, this Python 3.9.1 or 3.9 can only be used in Windows 10. If you're having Windows 7 or earlier, it can be used. You just have to go in all releases over here and check for the older versions. Alright, once you have downloaded the Python 3.9.1 version, you just have to run through the installation process. Just search for Python 3.9 and so I'm going to say this, just open this app, and now here you go, the Python is ready. Alright, so this is how you can install Python on your Windows 10 in 2021. So this is how you install Python, guys, and in a couple of my next videos I'll be showing you how you can install Python and also how you can install Visual Studio Code. These both are integrated development environment or IDE, which are used to write code for Python. So in the next couple of videos I'll show you how you can install these two softwares, and till then, bye. Also, I really forgot to tell you guys a very happy new year 2021. Well, the previous year was really bad. 2020 was like crazy, of course. So this year hopefully it's gonna be really good. We're gonna do some more fun stuff and all. So yeah, and Merry Christmas whoever celebrates Christmas. And yeah, that's all. And meet you in the next one, guys. Bye.